The most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. We take a look at our Skycam network. This is from the station's view, looking across the city and the bay there. Some high clouds working in. They'll thin out overnight and then be more prevalent tomorrow afternoon. That might hold our temperature down a little bit. It was really hot today at 97. It's 92 now. It'll be 91 at 6 o'clock and then drop into the low 80s by 11 o'clock tonight and on into the mid 70s by the middle of the night with very light winds once again to treat us and you mariners out there for the weekend and beachgoers. There won't be much of a riptide risk, so the water will be real pretty this weekend out on Padre and Mustang Island, where it'll be 81 for the low in Port Aransas, but 74 here in Robstown and 73 over in George West and Three Rivers. 76 calm and quiet in the morning for Corpus Christi, sweltering heat, and 91 at noon, but notice the wind, just 6 miles an hour. And we may see a stray shower tomorrow afternoon, but nothing significant. 91 on the afternoon high, but more clouds late in the day, holding our temperature down a bit. 96 will be the high tomorrow with 97 in Robstown, 102 inland at George West, and 90 along the coast and area beaches. Satellite and radar right now shows one lonely shower right there south of Beeville. That's why we can't rule out a stray shower, as we've talked about in the past, because these do pop up in the summertime. Got a large area of upper level high pressure sitting right here. This is a surface map, but on the upper level high pressure, that's going to drift off to the west and allow these clouds to come south. There'll be enough moisture in there to generate some isolated showers late tomorrow night and Sunday and into Monday, but not much. Just a little. All right, elsewhere, there's not a lot going on across the country. It's a pretty benign weather pattern. The system out here in the Atlantic has a medium chance of development now over the next 5 days. It was a high chance yesterday. It's encountering Invest 96L, that is, a lot of Saharan dust, and the track off to the northwest of this will result in a lot of wind shear too. The system that died yesterday near Florida and the Bahamas is now being taken up the east coast as a big rainmaker there in front of a cold front that we're not involved with at all. That activity in the Atlantic going around high pressure, again steering it away from the U.S., at least as far as going inland there, and this low pressure protecting us from activity coming across the Gulf. Our clouds and rain forecast, it looks like this. Mainly clear skies overnight, sunshine to start out, but clouds increasing. That's high clouds tomorrow afternoon. And then we're going to see a few of these showers come in that we talked about earlier. Sunday morning and then inland Sunday afternoon. They die out around sunset. Rainfall amounts aren't going to be a whole lot with this. Again, we'll see a few hundredths of an inch. It's certainly not going to resolve our dry situation or our deficit for the year of 5 inches. So the rainfall picks up a little bit on Sunday, back down Monday, and next to nothing again on Tuesday, just like tomorrow. And the winds look like this. They're going to be very light here the next few days, but gradually pick up by Tuesday. Here's a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. 96 tomorrow, 94 to 95 on Sunday and Monday with a few showers around, and then just plain old sweltering heat. And the lows, instead of being in the mid 70s, are going to be in the upper 70s with highs in the upper 90s here next week. It's really going to be tough.
All right. Thank you very much, Dale.